Formatting is a process of preparing a storage device, such as HDD, SSD, or USB for initial use. So what exactly does formatting do on your hard drive? We can consider a hard drive a warehouse, and all your data are the goods stored in a warehouse. It has a table record we can call file system to decide how the goods are going to be stored in the warehouse. When you perform the formatting, it will first clean the whole warehouse and then rewrite the table record so that the warehouse can be used to store new goods, maybe in a different order. Given that we usually use format when we want to clean the hard drive for reuse, reinstall the OS due to a virus attack, or to fix the error when the drive cannot be accessed. To use EaseUS Partition Master to format your drive, please first select Drive in the product. Right-click on it to locate the format feature or find it at the right sidebar. The prompt window will first remind you that formatting this drive will erase all the data on this partition. You can change the file system and the class size here. If you want to use this drive as an external one, FAT32 is highly supported as it is a file system that works with both Windows and Mac. Click OK and you will receive another message to notify you to double check if you have anything useful on this drive. If no, you can click OK to add it to the pending list. You can find the Execute button at the left top of the product. Click on it and you will be prompted with a preview window. Click on Apply to initiate the operation. As a kind reminder, a right to protect disk cannot be formatted in our product. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at support@easeus.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.